If you see your double out there, wave hi. Welcome to Astro Loaf Public Radio. Good evening, citizens of Lorville, and welcome to Astro Loaf Public Radio. This is Toast, your voice in the heat, broadcasting live from the underbelly of Hurston. Hope you're all ready for the Hurston Air Show this Saturday. I know I am, but we'll get to that right after we get to a word from our sponsors. Today's broadcast is brought to you by some anonymous donor. Station management just handed me some plastic rectangle with 2 holes and what looks like a shiny ribbon along one side. Now let's see here. I think I have something that might play this. Whatever it is. There we go. Let's see. This goes here. That goes there into the mixer and... Listeners, I am not sure what that was, but it sure sounded pretty. Wonder who it was from. If I had to guess, this kind of looks like Red J's handwriting. Wonder how his secret underground pirate radio station is doing. You know, I should tune into that more. Okay, back to the air show. Once a year, we get the privilege to have an air show above Tisa Spaceport, and I could not be more excited. We're going to see Connies, Hammerheads, Terrapins, and the Gold Angels are going to close out the event. Gates open at 9 a.m., and the show closes after all ships have crashed from lack of fuel. It may be a little difficult to see the show at times as we wait for the all-natural fog to move along from the industrial zones. Nope. My notes say that the show will not hold for fog. If you miss seeing an event, that is your problem. Says that directly right here. That is your problem. In other news, Jerry, the Galaxy Milk person, has asked that the station relay a message they hope will reach all Milky patrons. They asked that if you could please rinse out your bottles before chucking them out into space. They would really appreciate it. And citizens, we should rinse them. Jerry is so nice. Oh boy. I remember this one time Jerry delivered milk when I was having a milk emergency. One night, out late at Gate 4. Jerry came, delivered me my milk, and even helped me get home. I was in no state to ride the train back, if you know what I mean. Boy, can milk have a punch. Tonight's airshow raffle is brought to you by Tammany & Sons. Our helmets are so comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing them. Just remember to take it off before you eat or kiss. Safety first, smooches second. Tammany & Sons, keeping your noggin snug and safe. More on the air show. Citizen Kate has decided to participate in the upcoming stunt portion of the air show above Tisa Spaceport. Also, each ticket to the show enters you into a drawing where the winner can have a Firebird personally flown by Kate herself to your home and landed on your coffee table. I also have a note here from Hurston Home Liability Insurance Company that your coffee table and or your home will not be covered if they were to explode upon the Firebird's delivery. When pressed for further information as to why, since ship crashes are covered under General C of the Tisa Lorville Hurston Homeowners Protection Act, as all school children know, they reported back with a shrug going, no, not really. When pressed for further explanation, they said, It's all for like legal reasons, lawyer stuff. And we can't be expected to pay for every home and or coffee table that blows up. Be reasonable. And now, dear listeners, let us turn our attention to the weather. The forecast for today is void, followed by periods of off black. I wasn't sure this was right, but looking out of my studio window, it is indeed an empty void out there. It's strangely peaceful. The station's weather machine says it is breathable, but whether or not it has gravity, the machine can't make heads or tails of that. It's just emptiness out there. For as far as the eye never mind. Reality popped back into existence. Looks pretty sunny out there today, citizens. Go enjoy it before it pops back out. Up next, the Ansible traffic report. As we wrap up tonight's broadcast, I hope you're just as excited about the air show as I am. Oh, I can't wait. I'm going to give the Star Runner and the Terrapin a big hug when I see them. If my heart is true and my feelings pure, hopefully, they will hug me back. Sadly, our time has come to an end for today's broadcast. I leave you now with the sounds of industrial machinery and the gargles of blueberry bagels. Until next time, this has been Toast, the voice of Astro Loaf Public Radio. Tune in next time, Lorville. Tune in next time.
Astro Loaf Public Radio is a parody production of Welcome to Nightvale. It is written by A Side of Toast and Cy Halveric, and produced by A Side of Toast. The voice of Astro Loaf Public Radio is A Side of Toast. This episode's Ansible traffic report was Semper Fidelis, 1890, by the United States Marine Band. We thank you for listening to ALPR and hope that you will tune in for the next broadcast.